So let's do another example. First off, we know let's find our vertex. So my vertex, if I look on the inside, it's going to go to the left 3, so it's a negative 3. It doesn't go up or down at all, so it's going to be 0. So my vertex at negative 3 is 0, right there. Now I need to pick my next points. So let's keep in mind, we want to find perfect squares. Well, negative 3 plugged in gives me 0 in here. Square root of 0 is 0, which is why we end up with 0 for my y coordinate. So my next perfect square after 0 is going to be 1. Well, what can I do in here? So meaning, what can I plug in for x to make the inside be 1? Well, if I plug in negative 2 for x, negative 2 plus 3 is 1. That's a perfect square. What's the square root of 1? It's 1. But don't forget about this negative, so I end up with negative 1. So negative 2, negative 1, which is right here. Now my next perfect square after 1 is 4. How can I make my inside of the radical be 4? Well, if I plug in 1 for x, that would allow the inside to end up equaling 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4. What's the square root of 4? It's 2. And then we got to make that negative because that negative out in front. So I get 1, negative 2. So I'm right there. Let's get one more. What's my next perfect square? Well, that's 9. So I'm going to have 6 going in for my x. 6 plus 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Make it negative because that negative out in front. And I get 6, negative 3. There we go. Connect the dots. Oop, missed one of them. All right, there we go. Sorry about missing that dot. Feel terribly, terribly sorry. All righty. So that one goes like the other direction, brah, which is different than before. Well, any idea as to why that would be? That's very good. I feel like this is Dora the Explorer. When I ask questions, then I say you did a very good job. But it's okay. We'll do that. All right, that's very good. It is because of that negative out in front. It caused it to reflect. Well done.